Hey friends, Gary here. Welcome to today's video. Today I will reply to your comments and questions. We have plenty of interesting and fun comments today, and hopefully I can provide good enough answers for all of your comments. It's gonna be interesting, it's gonna be fun. Let's start with the first comment. First comment is from MattMats1495. Hey Gary, Matthew here. Thank you for featuring my photo. Love your photo of the mountain in Iceland. It looks so grand. Hopefully I'll get a chance to go there one day. Your photos look great as well. RogueSplice didn't know San Francisco looks so magical. Yes, thank you so much Matthew for your kind words for my photo, and also your photo is excellent. So is RogueSplice photo and everyone else's photo in that particular episode. Anyway, if you want to join the collective gallery, don't hesitate to do so. Share your best shots, submit your photo to this form right here, and I will feature your photo on the next video so that we can inspire each other to take more photos and have fun with photography. Next comment is from CarmineTavernaPhotography. Thank you for sharing this video, very nice photos. This comment is on my Sony 16 to 50mm kit lens video, and Carmine Taverna, thank you so much for the kind words. Next comment is from Michel Norowski 6747. Lumix 9mm, Yongnuo 17-25 40.5mm, Olympus 40 to 150 f4, Olympus 75 to 300mm Mark II, do everything micro four thirds kit, and this comment is on my budget Holy Trinity lens video. Thank you for sharing. I think this definitely looks like a very capable kit. I am not particularly familiar with the Yongnuo lenses yet. I would love to try them in the future because right now finding one in Indonesia is kind of difficult. They have Yongnuo lenses for other formats but not for micro four thirds. Such a pity. But yeah, your kit looks awesome. It looks very complete. It can cover anything from ultra wide all the way to ultra telephoto. Next comment is from Gianluca2910. I own two Pen F cameras, the black one with Olympus 17, the silver one with Olympus 25, plus Olympus 12, 45, 60 macro. These three lenses go on the silver Pen F depending on the situation. I don't need more. 80% of the time, 17 and 25 are enough for me. Maybe someday I'll buy the 75 f1.8, but actually it's almost too big for me. Thanks for your videos. Well, this comment is again on the budget Holy Trinity lens video. Thank you for sharing. I think your kit looks awesome with all of these Olympus lenses with the dual Pen F setup right here. Regarding your comment about 75, I do actually have a 75, and let me show you some B-roll right now. And yes, it is an excellent lens, especially for portrait. I use it a lot for portrait of my wife, a little bit of product photography because the amount of background blur that it can produce is just fantastic. But then, as you said, it is almost too big for you. And looking at your kit, I think it will overlap a little bit with your 60mm macro lens. So I think the best suggestion that I can give to you is to try the 75mm first if you have the chance or access to one. Make sure that it's not overlapping too much with your 60mm macro, and if you decide that the image quality is good enough, if you're able to incorporate it into your existing setup, then maybe pull the trigger and buy it. But otherwise, no, don't be too hasty when it comes to deciding for a new lens. Hopefully this helps. Next comment is from Non941. Gary, when I was your age, autofocus didn't exist. I cannot miss what I never had. And this comment is on the ultra budget third-party lenses video that I made many months ago. But yeah, regarding this comment, of course, when you begin photography, if autofocus didn't exist yet, then you won't really miss autofocus. But when I started photography, I started with smartphone and digital compact cameras. So yeah, at that time, autofocus already exists and I'm already very used to autofocus. So using manual focus only lenses took a little bit of time for me to adjust, because you know, you need to take time to focus, obviously, if you want to do precise focusing. And sometimes with certain lenses I want to be able to just do hyperfocal distance, that kind of things. So yeah, quite a learning experience for me using manual focus lenses, but also really fun. Next comment from BlackThigh5023. Get well soon, still managed to produce a great video. Good man. Well, thank you very much. Thankfully, I'm already recovered from my flu and cough. Now I feel normal. However, now I got the diarrhea. It's quite annoying because every few hours I have to go to the bathroom and it's just not convenient. But yeah, I'll get through this as well. Next comment is from Mr. First Dance 2000. Some photographers go to Iceland just so their wife will keep them warm. I look forward to little Gary in about 9 months. Great video, Gary, and pictures. Thanks for the extra mile effort. Yeah, crossing my fingers for little Gary or little Nora in about 9 months. We don't have anything planned, but anything is possible, right? So yeah, crossing our fingers. That'll be fun actually. But thank you so much, Mr. First Dance. Next comment is from MLT Beekeeper 9519. Nice to see you enjoying coffee at the School Beans Cafe. Yes, this comment is on one of my Iceland vlog. This was from Vic, and when we went there after the ice cave tour, we went to a little school bus that has been converted into a coffee shop called the School Beans Cafe, and the coffee there was really great. I really recommend it to you guys, especially if you are visiting Iceland and you are around the region of Vik. Next comment also from Non941. I'm an Olympus guy but hope to try out a GX85 sometime or GX9. I've never shot a lumix camera. Yes, I think you should try a lumix camera, and yes, GX85 or GX9 will be a great choice if you want to try Panasonic Lumix Micro Four Thirds cameras. And the GX85, I've been really happy with that camera. It has performed really well. It has in-body stabilizer and also the compact rangefinder format. I really love it so much. It went with me through so many countries, to United States, to New Zealand, to Labuan Bajo, to Japan. Yeah, that camera's been everywhere and I love it so much. Yeah, I think you will like Micro Four Thirds Panasonic Lumix cameras. Next comment is from Christian Meyerhofer 4178. The color diaphragms and distance markings have a function. They are snapshot settings for different distances. These colored markings can be found on cameras from the 50s and the 60s that do not have a rangefinder, robot cameras. The focus had to be estimated, and thanks to the colored markings, it was possible to quickly read the depth of field range on the lens and select the appropriate aperture. Seven Artisans was probably inspired by this. So this comment is from the Seven Artisan 10mm f3.5 video, and thank you so much for sharing this point. This is quite a history right here, and yeah, I didn't really know the reason why the 7 Artisan 10mm f3.5 has a colorful markers, especially regarding the aperture and the focus areas on the lens. I think that is just fascinating. I thought it was just purely for design visual purposes, but turns out that it has a real functional purpose. That's really cool to know. Next comment is from the one and only RogueSplice. He commented, "Gee whiz, Gary, those photos were insane. You've been hiding those in the old files all this time." Thank you so much, RogueSplice, for the kind words, and this comment was on one of my older videos. I think this was from around 2018 or 2019, something like that. I was talking about landscape photography using Micro Four Thirds, and I showed some photos that I captured with my cameras from around that time. So yeah, if you guys want to check out my older videos, maybe you will see some of my older photographs that you will like. But nowadays, I tend to not use these older photos on my newer videos because I don't want to keep using the same pictures over and over again. I want to keep my channel fresh. So whenever I can, I will always try to provide you guys with newer photos that I took just recently. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all for today's session of question and answer. Hopefully my answers are interesting, entertaining, fun for you guys, and also informative. But anyway, if you guys have any more questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment down below or in any of my videos. I'd love to reply to your comments. I think by replying in this video format, I'm able to better explain to you guys about some concepts or things like that. I think it's more interactive, I think it's more fun, and hopefully you guys are also enjoying these episodes as well. But anyway, I will wrap it up right now. Don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel, and also if you want to support my work even further, consider joining my Patreon membership. You will get some exclusive contents that you won't get anywhere else. You can download my Lightroom preset, you can access my tutorials, you can also download my photos for your phones or desktop background, and also you can use the affiliate links down below. You will get some discounts on some select services and products, and you will support this channel by giving me a little bit of a kickback to keep this channel running. And yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you, goodbye.